Still struggling to figure out why your gorgeous website is suddenly sluggish? It might be because of digital clutter, aka those hidden files and outdated plugins acting like digital dust bunnies. So today, let's clean house. Hi, I'm Krista from WP Krista, and if your site has ever felt like a closet that you can't close, today's video is for you. We're diving into 5 simple ways to declutter your WordPress website without breaking anything important. You'll speed things up, boost SEO, and create a smoother experience for your audience. Tip 1, start by deleting unused images. Think of your media library like that junk drawer in your kitchen. Old logos, random thumbnails, half-finished drafts. It's time to clean it out. There are 2 ways that we can accomplish this. The first is by going through and manually deleting those unused media images. Go through the media library and filter by unattached. Click on each image and delete only what you're sure isn't in use. The second is through a plugin called Media Cleaner. It's a little bit more efficient, but proceed with caution. These media plugins don't always get everything right, and I've seen them cause some broken images on a site. Always, always, always back up your site before you do this, and use Pro if you run WooCommerce or have any custom layouts on your website. Tip 2, ditch unused plugins and themes. This isn't probably going to free up a ton of space, but it is going to reduce any confusion as well as security risks. So go through your site, keep your current theme and the default WordPress one as a fallback, and then delete all of the other ones that you're not using. The same is true for plugins. If you're not using it, go ahead and delete it entirely. You don't want to have that plugin there, especially if you're not keeping up with the updates, because that makes your site more vulnerable. Tip 3, use ShortPixel or a similar plugin to compress images. Tools like these go through your site and optimize all of the images without losing quality, which can be a huge space saver. But make sure that you turn on the option to have it remove original images after optimization. Otherwise, you're going to have 2 copies of all of your images on your site, and that won't actually save you any space. ShortPixel is a premium plugin, and it's free for the first 100 images a month, or you can grab a one-time bundle. They start at around $10 a month. Tip 4, clean up backup files. Old backups on your site can hog gigabytes of space, especially if they're hiding out in your WP content folder. So go ahead and manually delete those backups, or adjust any plugin settings that are doing those backups for you to store them in Amazon or Dropbox or Google Drive. Some hosts like Flywheel or SiteGround handle this for you. And if you're a Showit user, this is also something that you don't really need to worry about. Last tip, offload your media to Amazon. If your site is over 10 gigabytes in size, consider this as a game changer. Your WordPress site stays while media uploads go right to the cloud. For Showit users, this is also something that happens automatically. But if you're still on a straight WordPress site, you're probably going to need to go through and set this up unless your host automatically does it for you. There are a lot of different plugins that can do this for you. I think that some of them that we've experimented with are WP Offload Media or Media Cloud. You'll probably need to pay for those as well as for some Amazon hosting space, but it's pretty cheap. Okay, so let's recap our 5-step digital declutter plan. First, go through your site and delete any unused images. Second, remove any unnecessary plugins and themes. 3, compress your images with a plugin like ShortPixel. 4, clear out any old website backups. And 5, set up a plugin that will offload any big media files to the cloud. Remember, at the end of this, your site should feel light, clean, and fast, just like your brand. For more smart website tips, hit like and subscribe. And remember, your website shouldn't be a digital storage closet. It should be your most powerful marketing tool.